morning, Rocket South. Today is January 31st, 2018. It's a B-Day. There are 74 days left of school.
Today's lunch choices are Caesar salad with flatbread, mandarin orange chicken rice bowl, pepperoni pizza, grilled cheese sandwich.
Friday, February 2nd, 2018 is National Red Day. Wear your red shirts. The entire school should wear red shirts to help fight cardiovascular disease. It is also Hats Off to Hearts Day this day.
Hats Off to Hearts is every Friday in February. If students donate $1, they will be given a heart sticker and are able to wear a hat on these days.
Hold on. Read
Wait,
it.
shh.
Covered.
But what?
Goodbye, Rocket South. You belong here. Abby, you're missing all
Thank
the
you.
words.
Have a great
No,
day, Rocket
no,
South.
there's another thing.